Hello, my name is Nicholas, and today I'm going to be talking to you about men's dance shoes. A lot of male students who come up to me and go, hey Nick, what am I supposed to wear? I'm tired of answering the question a whole bunch of times, so now I can send them to this YouTube video. What you're looking for has a minimal amount of sole, doesn't extend past the shoe part of itself, and something you can pivot on. And you're looking for something with a minimum heel. So finally looking for something that will lace up well and hold to your foot. This is kind of our ideal version. It's my favorite shoe. What you're not looking for would be this example. You see, this is the sole right here. It actually extends past the bottom of the shoe. It's a non-skid surface, extra shoe in the front. Here, it effectively makes your foot bigger, more probable that you're gonna step on your partner. And it's a heavier material, there's more stuff. Additionally, they don't lace up very tight so that you can't get a nice form fitting. There you go. Okay, the next question I often get is, well, I ain't got no money. What do I do? Well, you can always dance in street shoes as well. The first thing that I will suggest is that these are called dance socks, and the link will be in the description below. It's essentially just a piece of fabric that you put over a shoe, and dance teachers, sometimes guys will give me this resistance towards wearing dance shoes or buying dance shoes for whatever reason. And I'll bring these to class and they can wear them and be like, oh wow, dancing in something that pivots and is easier to slide around in is so much easier. Some people will suede the bottom of their shoes manually. You can find this at a craft store like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something like that. You can do just the ball of the foot, or you can do the whole shoe depending on what you want. You use some rubber cement and you tack it on there. Some people will even use, obviously not Hello Kitty, well maybe Hello Kitty duct tape, that's pretty cool. They'll use duct tape and it will make your shoe more pivotable. You have to reapply it here and there. So in summary, what we're looking for is a svelte shoe with a pivotable space, a low heel, laces well, doesn't have a lot of extra stuff with the material on the front, is not bulky, is light, and the sole doesn't pass the top of the shoe, and that you can pivot on. I think I might have said that already. I think that's everything. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and I sincerely hope this helped.
Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, comments, or things you'd like us to talk about in the future, leave your comment below.